Hello. This is HK Laser Training Center. In this time, I will explain how to use reference position. To use reference position, you must know how to set. Click function in work and click set icon next to reference pos in NC functions on off. After entering screen, you can see input position button. Move head to position that to be stopped after cutting and click input position. After input, go back to main screen and click reference pos in NC functions on off to activate. This function will only work while activated. As shown in video, head moves to set position after cutting. Thank you.